Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create bookmarks on the Nextdoor application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Nextdoor application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be taken into the login page. So you can just enter your email address and your password to proceed with logging into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your home page, from which you can browse through the various different posts that have been made within your neighborhood. Now, if you wish to make a bookmark from any of these posts, then you can tap on the heart icon on the post that you want to add to your bookmark. When you tap on the heart option, this will add the post onto your bookmark, and you can also click on the three dots at the top right corner of the post, within which you will see the Add to Bookmark option. You can simply tap on the Add to Bookmark option or tap on the heart icon, and this will be added onto your bookmark right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add posts onto your bookmark or make bookmarks onto your Nextdoor application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.